What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifting Duo Goes Nuts When Caught." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Damn, if it'll click.
The yappers had the audacity to bring their mugger bum stank into the store and shoplift for the third time.
Ma'am, come with me.
For the third time?
Come with me. Where's the other one you're with?
Who?
The other woman you're with.
Nobody's with me.
You're by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come stand out here. There's one more inside. All right, stay here. What'd you take? Did you put anything in your bag?
No, what is they talking about? That lady was watching her.
I'm asking you.
I didn't put nothing in my bag. I've been sitting here waiting for roadside assistance because I locked my key in my car.
Okay, so if I look in your bag,
you're not looking in my bag. Nobody touching my bag. Nobody's accusing me of nothing. That lady, you can ask her right there. She been walking around seeing. I didn't touch nothing, bro. Nobody's touching.
Okay, well listen.
Touching my bag. Listen. Nobody accuse me of touching.
Stop
nothing.
yelling.
No,
there's only one side of the story,
okay,
right?
Well, go.
So all you have to do is say. All you have to do is say no.
Nobody's.
Oh boy, this ain't gonna end well. I could tell already this ain't gonna end well. I could tell already this is not gonna end well because she running off at the mouth, man. Running off at the mouth, automatic, off rip. Come on, man. Let's get to it, man.
In my bag, simple.
Okay,
that's
so can I have ID?
I'm aggravated. No, you're not getting my ID. I'm not answering no questions.
So you're not gonna.
No, you're not touching my ID.
Okay. Hey, relax, man.
No, I'm aggravated. I'm waiting for to get the key out of my car. I'm just walking around to waste time until roadside assistance to come and get my key out of my car.
Where's your car?
I'm not answering no questions. Why the do you keep asking? No, I'm not answering nothing.
We could probably help you with the key thing. We have like our own people that can come out and
coming in here walking around like what the I'm wasting time. That lady seen me right here. I'm literally walking around.
Like I said, I'm not.
Okay, well,
I only got one side. That's why I came out.
I told you, I'm not answering no questions.
This is why I wanted you to come outside and have a conversation with me.
No questions.
All right, then don't.
Is this your friend or? All right. We're just trying to calm her down. She's pretty upset. So. Okay. Yeah. So, are you guys related or just friends or?
Do you know each other?
Bro, I told you I came here by myself. Why
I'm not
you keep
talking
asking
to you.
Me questions? Stop
I'm not
asking
talking
me
to you.
questions.
Do you know her?
No.
Well, you just told me you did inside, so you were lying. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah. See, this is why it's always important to keep them separate, because she said whatever when she was alone, but her answer now was influenced by what the girl in the with the braid said.
No.
You don't have ID on you? Okay.
Not showing no ID.
Well, it's gonna be an issue if that's the case.
I ain't showing.
So you can come back to headquarters and I'll fingerprint you and find out who you are. Okay.
You can fingerprint
whoever you want. So we're investigating. They're alleging that there's a possible shoplifting. So we have the right to detain you guys. You guys are detained right now, so you're not free to leave. You are absolutely detained. And we need to figure out what's going on. And if we need to ID you guys, we're going to ID you. And if you refuse to provide your information...
Hey, can you stay over here for me?
Bro, I'm not staying nowhere, bro.
You are.
What you talking about,
You are. You can get mad. I'm going to be respectful to you. You can get mad all you want. But listen, if you keep walking away, I'm going to put you in cuffs in the car.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Call my Uncle Drew here, state.
Go ahead.
He about to come here. I don't know
what
the fuck you talking about. You got me up, bro.
Go ahead.
What's wrong with you?
Gotta give it to the burglar queens. Filling up their sacks with $3,000 worth of loot and acting like they run the country is no joke.
So did you get
$3,000?
Okay. So we're gonna take 1 second. I'm going to need your information. This is your last chance to provide it. If you don't, you will be placed on arrest for obstruction, so that's your choice. So you're upset, I understand that.
I don't care.
So I need your information. If you have ID, give it to me.
I have ID or not getting my ID. For the fifth time. My answer's still the same to all three of y'all.
So then I need,
what is wrong with you?
then I need your name and date of birth. And if you don't provide it, then you're going to be placed on arrest. So please provide it. Are you going to provide your information or no? Miss? I take that as a no. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait till my mom come, bro. I'm not doing all that.
No, that's not how this works. You don't
Touch me, bro. Do not touch me. Do not touch me, bro. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I'm telling you now.
Last
Touch
chance.
me, you gonna be mad, bro.
Last chance.
You touch me, you gonna be mad, bro.
It don't matter. It's a
You gonna
minor
touch
anyway,
me.
so you can't do
touch
that.
me.
How do we know that? How do we know that?
Well,
I don't have to until she provides it.
it don't matter. You
Convince
can't
her-
touch no minor. So
Convince her
start
to-
recording.
Simply provide us with your name and date of
Don't try to switch it up now, because I got you recorded. I just said you
We're,
can't
we're not
touch no
switching anything
minor.
up.
Because you was definitely coming over here aggressive as hell with them cuffs out, and so I said you can't touch your minor. So
Well,
don't
that's not
try
how
to
it
back
works.
it up because I'm putting on, because I got you recorded. Don't try to change the subject.
Look, I got a body cam on right now too.
Yeah.
The whole thing's
That don't
recorded.
mean nothing. Y'all can either wipe that out a whole bunch of dirty cops. I don't believe that. I
Alright,
don't
you're-
body cam shit.
Well, she's
It's a lot of
gonna
dirty
give us her
cops.
name, or
There's
she's
a lot of dirty
you
I don't
give us
trust
your
no
name or
cops.
no? All right, so you're
Just
under
tell
arrest
me
right
your
now. So
name.
put
Bro,
your
do not touch me. I'm
Just
telling
give a
you.
name
Bro,
and
do not
date of
touch
birth.
me. Do
You
not
cannot put your
Bro,
hands
do
on
not touch me, bro.
You
I'm
cannot
dead
touch
serious,
your
bro.
minor.
Get off of me.
You
I'm
can't
not-
touch your minor.
Bro,
You can't touch
bro,
your
do
minor.
not touch me, bro.
Touch your minor. You
Bro,
can't
what
touch
the
your minor.
Bro,
your
do
hands
not
on me.
touch me, bro.
Put your hands
Do
on
not.
She's an idiot. Whoever the person is that's yelling, "You can't touch a minor," is an idiot. Minors do crimes all the time, and how do you think they end up in juvie or getting sentenced as an adult? Like, come on, are you serious?
Touch me, bro.
No, I'm not. You cannot touch a minor. You can't touch a minor.
Bro, do not touch me, bro.
Who the hell taught her
Do not
that?
touch me. You corny as hell, bro.
I'm still recording.
Step back.
I don't care. I got a lawyer. You
Okay,
can't
good.
touch no minor.
Step back.
You can't touch no minor.
Step back.
You can't
Stop.
touch a minor.
Stop.
How you getting mad because they touching a minor? You can't do that. You know you can't.
Yo, y'all funny as hell, bro.
You can't do that. That's the law.
What law is
Let go
that?
of your
No,
bag.
I'm not. You ain't about to
Let go
snatch
of your
nothing.
bag.
No, ask me nicely.
Let go of
Why
your
you
bag.
being so aggressive?
Let go of your bag.
Ask me nicely.
Let go of your bag.
Ask me nicely. Now
Let
give
go
it
of
to
your
you.
bag.
No, you're not about to be aggressive with me.
Let
I'm
go
a
of your
girl.
bag. Stop
Cuff's
pulling.
already on me. Yo, if you don't let me go, I promise you, I'll spit
Go
on
ahead.
you.
Go ahead.
Bro, let me go, bro.
Stop pulling and I'll let go of you.
Let me go. I've been standing here.
That's not how it works.
Talk, I don't know what the wrong with y'all cops. Y'all work.
Why is it that every time these goo girls get caught stealing, one of them pops up pregnant?
All right, you're going to be in trouble. I just told you I'm pregnant. You're going to me against the car. That's the
Let
biggest lawsuit.
She
Let go.
pregnant.
You don't throw a pregnant woman on the car. You
Please.
can say, can I please have your
Please let
bag?
go of the bag.
That's all you got to
Please
say.
let go of the bag.
But don't throw me on no car.
I
I'm
didn't throw
pregnant.
you against any
Yes,
car.
you did. Yes, you did. Now, since I told you I'm pregnant, you want a whole different excuse.
You can give me this now.
No, you not touching my bag, bro. Yo.
Let go of that, please.
Let go.
CC. Bro. Bro, come get him, bro. Come get him, bro. Come get him, bro.
You can't do that. You can't throw a pregnant woman against the car. I told you I was pregnant. You still threw me against the car. So you gonna be mad. Can't do that.
Do you have any weapons on your
No. No, we don't got no weapons. But I look like with a weapon.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
No, I ain't got no weapon. If I did, I would use it.
Okay. Put your
You
hands
throwing me against the
Put your hands on
car.
your back.
Hell, you
You're not
throwing
gonna
me-
make comments like that. You're
Hell,
not
you
gonna make
throwing me
comments
against the
like
car.
that. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't
Okay, we're gonna
care.
go against my car now.
Bro, why the yo, this man is acting crazy. Bro,
You gotta let go of this
bro,
purse.
let go of my bag, bro. This is my anything that's in my bag, it will get the out, bro.
Let go of it, please. Come on. Come on.
Bro, let go of my bag, bro.
You're done.
Let go. I'm not done shit. You talking about?
Let go of the bag.
Bro, get the
Damn, what you doing all this because I'm black? I just told you.
Stop
Here
moving
we
your
go
arms.
with the race.
You won't be different. If I have
Give me-
a miscarriage, I'm taking
your-
your child pension.
Well, then relax.
I'm taking it.
Yo, you cannot touch my bro. Bro, you a off. Bro, get the off.
And now, the moment of truth.
All y'all be dirty.
Oh, big surprise.
Stop the tell. She ain't not
Big
taking
surprise.
that shit, tell.
Big
You
surprise.
ain't even gonna take her rent if you wanna give her name. How you gonna get back if she ain't
Big
gonna give her name?
surprise.
Yeah? Don't you can't handle no minor. That's how you handle women. Who raised you?
Alright.
I don't care. I wasn't doing nothing but recording. That's what I was doing, recording. Get out my code. Get down right there.
Who raised you? You teaching a minor to steal? What? Like, what are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? Who raised you? That's how you handle a minor, or that's how you handle women, whatever she said. But you over there, you over there friends with a minor, teaching her how to steal. Get the hell out of here.
Man, what the you about to hurt? If you hurt my baby, you gonna be in a lot of trouble. Yeah, okay then. So you better be. Yeah, I just told y'all that I'm not gonna keep saying it. You hurt my baby, it's on.
It's definitely.
Let me out of here, bro.
You end up hurting yourself. Just
Bro, let me
check out the lot and see if there's like a car sitting around or something.
Let her keep kicking. Let her keep kicking.
Yeah, just stand right there and film her.
Bro, let me out, bro.
Hey, she's out of her cup. Yeah. What do you want to do?
Bro, take these off of me, bro. Take these off of me. Get me the out this car, bro.
These are double
Bro, get me the out this car, bro. Bro!
Stop.
Bro,
Relax.
get me out!
Ma'am, just relax. Can you please relax?
Bro, you break my ritual, bro. You won't hate me. I swear to God, bro. Yo, y'all is terrible. Terrible.
Alright.
No accountability.
How do you
for
double lock
stealing,
this
right?
guy? Okay.
None.
Nope.
And get her together. Tighten up.
Bro, I don't give a shut up, you ugly.
Tighten up. She would have had a couple more spankings.
Bro,
She
let me get the
wouldn't be like
Be in
this.
this car.
Can you please sit in the car, ma'am? Ma'am, let go of the car.
Yo, you ripping my
Let go. Can you please let go of the car? Ma'am, can you please let go of the car?
Bro, what's wrong with
Can you please let go of the car?
Bro,
Hands are better.
Listen, the more you kick, the more charges you're gonna get.
I
Do
don't
you
give a
understand? When you damage the car, you're gonna be charged. Do you understand? Do you understand?
If it was somebody white, y'all wouldn't even be doing all this. What are you looking at,
Get her
trailer trash? Ain't nothing inside my coat. Get out my coat. Why you all in my? Ain't nothing in my coat but a mask. Get out my coat. Ask me, can you go inside my coat? I'm a girl and y'all men. Y'all ain't even supposed to be. Y'all ain't supposed to be frisking me. We're a woman.
Oh, okay.
I know my rights.
Yeah.
We're a woman.
That's a wrong right.
Yeah, we're a woman, cop that. Cause you ain't supposed to touch me. No, I can refuse it because I'm a woman. You ain't supposed to touch me. You a God, ain't nothing in here but a. You better not touch my stomach.
Let's get her in a car. Nick, get her. Where's your car at?
Over the 3 incidents, the females had stolen more than $4,500 worth of luxury perfumes. Amira was charged with 2 counts of shoplifting, obstructing the administration of law, resisting arrest, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, and criminal mischief. Sierra was charged with 2 counts of shoplifting, obstructing the administration of law, resisting arrest, and hindering. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Absolutely crazy. That's insane. That's literally insane. She's sitting there hanging out with a minor, teaching her to steal. But the cops are in the wrong. Man, they get a 4 4 out of 5.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.